Welcome to Popcorn Roll, a fun, rolling and bouncing game best played for ages 4 to 11. We hope you enjoy. In this game you will need some small balls to throw, some spot markers and a bucket. Start by creating a circular area using the spots. Then you need to place one team on the spots. Each person stands on their own spot and you create a circle. A rectangle also works well for this. Then the other team, the rolling team, will then spread out into the playing area and they'll spread out all the way around. Then the teacher will stand in a space at the side and they'll have a pile of balls. Then you need to place a bucket in the middle of the circle. This is how you set up the game. The game starts when the teacher throws and scatters all of the balls around the playing area. Then the rollers need to run to one of the scattered balls. They then need to collect that ball, and from the place that they collect it, they're not allowed to then run to the circle. From that place they can roll the ball to someone in the circle. When they roll the ball to them, the person in the circle then needs to try and stop the ball. They turn around and they try and bounce that ball with one bounce into the bucket. If they get it in the bucket, they'll score a point for their team. And then you keep playing until all the balls are gone. So you can play for time, or to see how many balls they get in a certain amount of time, or how long it takes them to get them all into the bucket, and then swap roles. Here are some adaptations and examples of how you can change the game to make it more suitable for different age groups and different abilities. So there's lots of variations to this, and you can even adapt it to suit different sports. So we hope you enjoy. It's a really great game and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.